Well, I really hate cone, but it's not that bad. Also, a right circular cone has a volume of this cubic centimeters, and the area of its base is blah 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 square centimeters. What is the slant height in centimeters of this cone? So a cone is roughly like this. This is the height, and the slant height is on this line. You know this line. It is the slant height. So if the volume is actually 1/3 of the like two volume with the same circle and height. So if the this is R, it will be R squared B times the height. This height, not the slant. So we got this number. We'll just rewrite this. Oh, we got the area of its space, so we don't need to find this because it's written times this number times the height. We will just cancel whatever we can cancel, and so we calculate the height. Wait, so it's um okay, I have calculated the height is 36. So this one will be like this. This is the height 36 and the R. Okay, we just find, since the area of the circle is PR squared, so this number will equal to, so R will be the square root of it. It's 77. So this one we will just calculate this using Pythagorean formula. 36 square root plus 77 squared, which is equal to 45. I'm sorry, 85.